Welcome back to Underdog Factory. My name is Tristan. Now, you've probably heard that shorts can actually hurt your channel and cause you to not grow as fast on YouTube, and that's partially true. So what I want to do today is I want to take a few minutes to explain exactly what's happening to your channel when you upload a short. I want to explain how you can still use shorts to grow your channel without damaging your normal videos, and I want to tell you about some of the cool features coming to shorts that I'm really excited about. So everything is timestamped, so if you're looking for something specific, you know where you need to go. And that being said, let's go ahead and start talking about shorts and algorithms. Now, I've seen quite a few theories out there about what shorts actually do to your channels, so that's probably a good place to start. What's actually happening is that YouTube and its algorithms want to promote your best performing videos on people's home pages. You will see this listed as browse features in your analytics under traffic sources, and that's where most of the traffic comes from for the majority of channels. Now imagine that you've worked on a normal video and you've dumped 20 plus hours into it and you upload it to your monetized channel hoping to make a little bit of money back. And so you want that video to get as many views as possible, right? But if you have a short that's drastically outperforming the normal video, the algorithm is going to promote that short instead of your long format video, which means that your longer video, the video that's monetized, is going to get less traffic, which means you're going to get fewer subscribers and engagements. That's just kind of an average thing that we see. And it means you're going to make less money. You're essentially stopping the potential growth of that normal video by uploading a short within the same time frame. And that's why most larger YouTubers choose to upload shorts to a separate channel instead of their main channels. This allows their normal videos to grow and to breathe and to make money while they're still able to create shorts and gain all that extra traffic. So then the question becomes, how can we use shorts without hurting ourselves? And there are two main routes that we can take here. First, you can create a separate channel and use the shorts channel to promote those videos. So create channel B and use that to push all the traffic back to channel A. The second thing you can do is space out your uploads so that way your longer videos have a chance to perform well before you upload the short. Now, you might be thinking, Tristan, why not upload the short first and then upload the longer video? And if you're thinking that, you're pretty darn bright and I like you. That's right, you can actually do that. But if your plan is actually to use a short to promote that video, what you might want to do instead is to remix that longer video. So let's talk real quick about some of the cool shorts features that are coming out and that have just recently come out. And I think the coolest of them is something called a remix. So basically what you do is you go into your YouTube channel from your YouTube app and you find what the video that you want to promote, okay? And then you click on the remix button and then you click where it says edit into shorts. And then you can take a segment or segments from that longer video and create a new short out of it. And to make it even cooler, you can actually do this for a video that you've scheduled for upload. So if you have a new video that you're going to be uploading next week, you can start making shorts from it today and start generating all that traffic. Now, what makes this even cooler is that all the data and all of the metrics that are going to be attached to that short are actually going to be attached to your longer videos, to the source video. So that means that it won't actually hurt your channel's growth or your video's growth because all of that short data, all those extra views and all the extra engagements and everything are actually going to be tied to your original video, which is really cool. And hopefully, if everything works the way that it's supposed to, that means that you can upload your longer videos, use shorts to promote them, and it won't hurt your channel. Though, to be honest, this doesn't actually fix the whole problem. This only works if you are wanting to use a short to promote a longer form video. If you want to do a short that's completely separate from any existing videos, you're still going to be running into this problem. And at the moment, we don't really have a lot of options to fix that. Again, you can either create a new channel, or if you're not uploading very often, once a week, then you can upload a short, 3 or 4 days after your long format video. That way, the longer video has a chance to breathe, it has a chance to do its thing, YouTube has a chance to collect and analyze the data, and so that video still has a chance to grow and flourish. That being said, I do have it on good authority that a solution to this is going to be coming out soon. What we basically need is a button that when we upload a short, then say this video is a short, only show it on the short shelf, and that's the kind of solution that we need, that we're looking for. And again, I hear rumors and rumors of rumors that we're going to be hearing something about that soon. So if that is something you're looking at doing, and if you're considering starting up a new channel, might want to wait a few weeks, a couple months before doing that, just because I think that we are going to get a solution to that here really soon. And if you'd like to be one of the first people to hear about that when that happens, you need to go and join my Discord. And I have 2 other videos that I highly recommend you watch now. The first one is on how to find trending games, which are amazing for shorts. I've got almost 1 million views on some of these things just to prove it. And my very much unappreciated video about what makes gamers happy. It talks about some of the psychology behind video games and what we can do as video game content creators in order to help make our viewers happy and feel better. So definitely go and check that one out too. But that being said, hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.